Interested in trying out the new Quibi mobile streaming service? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Quibi. Now let's get started. If you haven't set up your account yet, check out our tutorial on how to get a 90-day free trial of Quibi. When you open the Quibi app, the first page you'll see is the For You page. This page will display suggested content Quibi thinks you'll like. Scroll down to see more shows. When you stop scrolling, you'll see a trailer for the show on your screen beginning to play. You can turn on the sound for the trailer by tapping the speaker icon in the top right corner. Tap the three dots at the bottom to see more options. With this menu, you can view more information about the show, check out the episode list, follow a show to find out when they release new episodes, download episodes to watch offline, share the show with your friends, or play the show. Tap Done to close this menu. If you'd like to start watching a show when browsing, you can simply tap the middle of the show tile to begin playing the first episode. In the bottom menu, you'll find a few more tabs. Tap Browse. In this tab, you can search for a specific show or browse available content by genre. To search for something, simply type in the name of a show, actor, or genre in the text box at the top. If you scroll down on the Browse page, you'll see categories like Trending, Daily Essentials, New Releases, and more. Tap a show in any of these categories to find out more about it. In the following tab, you'll see any new episodes of shows you've chosen to follow. This makes it super easy for you to get caught up with your favorite content. If you'd like to be notified whenever a new episode of a show you're following has been released, tap the bell icon on the right. Then select Allow. In the Downloads tab, you'll find any episodes you've downloaded to save for later. Note that you do need an internet connection to download the episodes in the first place, but any downloaded episodes can be watched without an internet connection. While watching a show on Quibi, you can rotate your device to view the content either vertically or horizontally. Tap your screen to bring up playback controls. With these, you can pause, play, rewind, and fast forward. If you tap the CC button, you can switch languages for the captions and audio if you like. Using the playback bar either on the side or at the bottom of your screen depending on orientation, you can quickly see how far into the episode you are and drag the marker to skip to a specific part of an episode. Tapping the name of the episode at the top will bring up the episode's description. And the share icon makes it easy for you to send a link to the episode you're watching to your friends if you want them to check it out. When you're done watching an episode, you can either swipe down on your screen or tap the X icon to close it. That does it for our guide to using Quibi. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.